Hi friends, my name is Van Gupta and in today's video I am going to tell you about 11 instruments fitted in Chandrayan1. So let's begin. First instrument is Terrain Mapping Camera. TNC or the Terrain Mapping Camera is a CMOS camera with 5 meter 16 feet resolution and a 40 km 25 miles swath in the panchromatic band and was used to produce a high resolution map of the moon. The aim of this instrument was to completely map the topography of the moon. The camera works in the visible region or the of the electromagnetic spectrum and captures black and white stereo images used in conjunction with data from lunar laser ranging instrument LLRI. It can help in better understanding of the lunar's gravitational field as well. TMC was built by the ISRO's Space Application Center SAC at Ahmedabad. The TMC was tested on 29 October 2008 through a set of commands issued from ISTRAC. Second instrument is hyperspectral imager. HYSI or hyperspectral imager is a CMOS camera performed mineralogical mapping in the 400 to 900 nm band with a spectral resolution of 15 nm and a spatial resolution of 80 meter to 60 feet. Now it is turn for third instrument, that is lunar laser ranging. LLRI or lunar laser ranging instrument determines the height of the surface topography by sending pulses of infrared laser light towards the lunar surface and detecting the reflected portion of that light. It operated continuously and collected 10 measurements per second on both the day and night side of the moon. LLRI was developed by Laboratory of Electro-Optic System of ISRO and ISRO Bangalore. It was tested on 16 November 2008. High energy AG gamma X-ray spectrometer. HEX or is a high energy AG gamma X-ray spectrometer for 30 to 200 keV measurement with ground resolution of 40 km 25 miles. The HEX measured UTH210 PD 222R and degassing and other radioactive element. Moon impact probe MIP or the Moon Impact Probe developed by the ISRO is an impact probe which consisted of a C-band radar altimeter for measurement of altitude of the probe, a video imaging system for acquiring images of the lunar surface, and a mass spectrometer for measuring the constituents of the lunar atmosphere. It was ejected at 14:30 UTC on 14 November 2008 as planned. The Moon Impact Probe impacted the lunar south pole at 15:01 UTC on 14 November 2008. It carried with a picture of the Indian flag. India is now the fourth nation to place a flag on the moon after the Soviet Union, United States, and Japan. Now it is turn for sixth instrument CIXS. CIXS or X-ray fluorescence spectrometer covering 1 to 10 keV mapped the abundance of Mg, Al, Si, Ca, Ti, and Fe at the surface with a ground resolution of 25 km 16 miles and monitored solar flux. This payload resulted from collaboration between Rutherford Appleton Laboratory, UK, ESA, and ISRO. It was activated on 23rd November 2008. SARA, SARA. SARA SARA, the sub-keV atom reflecting analyzer from the ESA mapped mineral composition using low energy neutral atoms emitted from the surface. Now it is turn for 8 instrument. Moon Mineralogy Mapper. M3, the Moon Mineralogy Mapper from Brown University and JPL funded by NASA is an imaging spectrometer designed to map the surface mineral composition. It was activated on 17th December 2008. SIR2. SIR2, a near-infrared spectrometer from ESA, built at the Max Planck Institution for Solar System Research, Polish Academy of Science, and University of Bergen, also mapped the mineral composition using an infrared grating spectrometer. The instrument is similar to that of the Smart 1 SIR. It was activated on 19 November 2008. Scientific observations were started on 20th November 2008. Now it is turn for 10th instrument, MINISAR. MINISAR, designed, built and tested for NASA by a large team that includes the Naval Air Warfare Center, Johns Hopkins University Applied Physics Laboratory, Sandia National Laboratory, Raytheon, and Northrop Grumman, with other support from ISRO. MINISAR is the active synthetic aperture radar system to search for lunar polar ice, water ice. The instrument transmitted right polarized radiation with a frequency of 2.5 GHz and monitored scattered left and right polarized radiation. The Fresnel reflective and circular polarization ratio CPR are the key parameters reduced from these measurements. I shows the current back scatter opposition effect, which results is in an enhanced of reflection and CPR, so that water content of the moon polar region can be estimated. Random 7 radiation dose monitor experiment from the Bulgarian Academy of Science maps the radiation environment around the moon. It was tested on 16 November 2008. And it is for this video. If you couldn't understand my voice, you can read from these pictures. And thank you. If you will take this video to 15 likes, then I will make video on Chandrayan2. So please take me to 15 likes. Thank you. Bye bye for my next video. Jai Hind.